Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Crep Kit is probably one of the most essential products for any sneakerhead. Keeping your kicks clean and fresh is a must, and this kit promises to do just that. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Crep Kit, testing its cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value to see if it's worth adding to your sneaker care arsenal. Get ready to see if this kit can truly revive your dirty shoes. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. This kit is designed to tackle dirt and grime while being gentle on your shoes. It's the perfect solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This kit comes with everything you need to clean your shoes. It includes a bottle of cleaner and a brush. It's a complete package for all your shoe cleaning needs. This cleaner is safe to use on various materials. It works great on fabric, leather, whites, suede, and nubuck sneakers. It's versatile and effective. Bring your shoes back to life with the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It will remove stains and restore the original look of your shoes. You'll be amazed by the results. Using this kit is simple and straightforward. Just apply the cleaner, scrub with the brush, and wipe clean. It's a quick and easy way to keep your shoes looking fresh. What we like. This cleaner is designed for various materials. It's gentle yet effective on different fabrics and leather. If you have a diverse shoe collection with different materials, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is soft and gentle, yet effective at removing dirt and grime. The cleaning solution is very effective at removing stains and dirt. The kit comes with everything you need to clean your shoes. Number 4. Crep Protect Sneaker Cleaner, 8.4 ounces. Tired of dirty shoes? This is the ultimate solution for keeping your sneakers looking fresh. It's designed to clean various materials, ensuring your shoes stay in top condition. This cleaner is safe to use on leather, suede, nubuck, canvas, nylon, and vinyl. It's gentle yet effective, removing dirt and stains without damaging the material. This product is a must-have for any sneakerhead. It's easy to use and provides professional-level cleaning results. The 8.4-ounce bottle provides plenty of cleaner for multiple uses. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice for shoe care. With this cleaner, you can protect your investment and keep your shoes looking their best. It's the perfect way to maintain the appearance and extend the life of your favorite footwear. What we like. This is an ultimate solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It works on leather, suede, nubuck, and more. If you are looking for a comprehensive cleaner for all your sneakers, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is very soft and the cleaning solution works great. The kit comes with everything you need to clean your shoes. The cleaning solution is easy to use and effective. Number 3. Markk Suede Cleaning Kit, Shoe Care. This kit is designed to keep your suede shoes looking their best. It includes a brush and stain eraser, perfect for removing dirt and grime. It's safe for various materials, ensuring your footwear stays in top condition. The Markk kit is ideal for leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, and knits. The brush gently removes surface dirt, while the eraser tackles stubborn stains. This ensures the shoes are cleaned without damage. The included brush is specifically designed for suede and nubuck. Its soft bristles effectively lift dirt and dust. Use it regularly to maintain the appearance of your shoes. The stain eraser is perfect for removing spots and marks. It works gently to lift stains without damaging the material. This helps to keep the shoes looking fresh. With the Markk Suede Cleaning Kit, you can easily maintain your shoes. This kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their footwear looking its best. Get yours today and protect your investment. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for suede shoes. It includes a brush and eraser for effective cleaning. If you like suede shoes and want to keep them in top condition, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is soft and gentle on the shoes. The cleaner is effective at removing dirt and stains. The kit includes everything needed to clean shoes. Number 2. CleanKicks Shoe Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to break down everyday shoe buildup. It doesn't matter what kind of mess you've made, this will help. The included brush removes dirt and grime. It scrubs it all away to keep your shoes refreshed. Whether it's leather, nubuck, rubber, or any other material, this kit can handle it. It's perfect for sneakers, boots, heels, and cleats. A few drops of this concentrated solution go a long way. It keeps your shoes free of dirt, stains, grime, and scuffs. Please note that the packaging may vary between green and blue. But the cleaning power inside is always the same. What we like. This kit offers a premium cleaning solution. The concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. If you are looking for an effective and economical cleaner, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is great for scrubbing the shoes. The cleaning solution works very well. The kit includes everything you need to clean your shoes. Number 1. SneakERASERS Shoe Cleaner. Tired of dirty shoes? This is the solution. It's designed to effortlessly remove marks and dirt from your shoes. The patented dual-layer technology and micro scrubbers make it easy to clean. The white side breaks down marks, and the orange side wipes them away. This cleaner is specially designed for white soles and smooth, non-porous uppers. It will leave your shoes looking brand new. Just gently rub the sponge on your shoe's sole. The softer your strokes, the easier the marks come off. Avoid excessive pressure for best results. This compact kit is perfect for on-the-go cleanups. Take it with you to the gym, office, or while traveling. You can get multiple cleanings with one sponge. Whether you have tennis shoes, basketball shoes, or leather sneakers, this is the ideal solution. Keep your shoes looking pristine without the hassle. This is the #1 shoe cleaning brand. They also have other cleaning products. Get yours today. What we like. This cleaner uses dual-sided sponges for effective cleaning. It's also easy to carry and disposable, perfect for on-the-go cleanups. If you are always on the move and need a quick cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is soft enough to not damage the material but strong enough to remove the dirt. The cleaning solution works great on all types of materials. The kit comes with everything you need to clean your shoes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.